Friends, I am Dr. Surajit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Signs, symptoms, and uses of medullinium. Part 1. Generalities, physical and mental. Source, gonorrheal pus. You might have wondered listening to the name of the source. Actually, medullinium is a nojote type of medicine in homeopathy. Nojotes are prepared from disease products like pus from a tubercular ulcer, tissue from a cancerous growth, etc. If you think that how these deadliest things can be used as sources of medicines, I will tell you that it is possible and practical too, due to the technique of preparation of homeopathic medicine invented by Dr. Hahnemann. These medicines are prepared following procedures of dilution and potentization. All higher potentized medicines prepared in homeopathy do not possess an iota of deadliest disease product. Rather, they possess finest curative properties. If these are applied following totality of symptoms of a patient, they display magic cure. General affection and temperament of medullinium. It affects central nervous system, causing paralysis, trembling and fidgety feeling with loss of memory. Number 2, cardiovascular and respiratory systems, producing chest pain, dyspnea, etc. Number 3, joints, manifesting rheumatism, gouts, etc. Number 4, lymph gland all over the body. Since this medicine affects these parts or organs of the body, so this has the power to cure diseases of these systems, which is manifested in the same way. Temperamentally, patients of medullinium are lachrymose, cannot speak without weeping. Again, they are peevish and impatient. Just look at the source of this medicine, gonorrheal pus. Gonorrheal pus is available in a person, maybe male or female. In case of male, it will be available at the tip of the urethral orifice, and in case of female, it will be available at the tip of the vaginal orifice. Physical generals of medullinium. For those who are constitutionally affected from maltreatment or suppression of gonorrhea, when best selected medicine fails to improve permanently. They are hot patients, cannot tolerate heat, perspire heavily, and like to be fanned always. We get this symptom in carbovage and lachesis also. They have rheumatic and gouty diathesis. Diathesis means dyscrasia, that is tendency to fall in a particular disease. Intense restlessness and fidgety feeling in legs and feet. It is also seen in the ginkum, medicine ginkum. Lower limbs ache all night, preventing sleep. Inordinate craving for one or more of liquor, salt, sweet, acidic drinks. Sensation of tightness, constrictions and soreness all over. Just two images have been shown. Number 1 is patient how he likes fanning, and this is how he craves for sweets. Physical general symptoms of medullinium continuing. Trembling all over, subjective. I will come to clarify this term subjective. Intense nervousness and exhaustion. Subjective means this trembling is felt by the patient himself. No outsider can see it. Burning of palm feet. This is also seen in sulfur, pulsatilla, caramella, lachesis. Once them washed with water and fanned, that is, they are so hot, they are hot patient, so their palms and feet are burning, hot, and it is again burning. So they want them washed with water and fanned so that they can feel cool. Sciras and other type of cancer of acute or chronic origin when symptoms point to the history of psychosis. That is, a person who has already suffered from psychosis, say gonorrheal infection, gonorrheal attack, if not treated properly, the whole system, the whole system of man is in psychosis state. Psychosis means there will be so many deep and devastating diseases inside the body. The total number may be 40 to 45. So various nosological names are there, but all of them relates to this psychosis, that is that ill-treated gonorrhea. Sciras means is a cancer of tissue where there are much fibrous tissue. In case of female, those female who have got heavy breast, there are much fibrous tissue in their breast, so they are very often affected by Sciras cancer of the breast. At the background there must be history of psychosis. Appetite and thirst, ravenous hunger, Sina, Surinam, Lycopodium also possess this unquenchable thirst. This is a patient of medullarium. He is just washing his feet with cold water, and this he does very often, because this gives him relief, because his feet are burning. Melton Gerald's symptoms of medullarium: great weakness of memory, worried about his forgetfulness, cannot remember familiar names, words. This person, just look at his expression. He is very much forgetful. He cannot remember very common names even. The most known name, but he cannot remember it. Cannot spell even common words correctly. Cannot speak without weeping while describing symptom to the physicians. While describing symptom to the physician, he very often weeps. Cannot grasp others' word easily, loses thread of conversation. Doctor needs to repeat their question to these patients. Mental general symptoms continuing. They anticipate future events correctly very often. That is, they can say that this thing is going to happen, and generally that happens. They are irritable, impatient, anxious, sensitive, nervous, feel symptoms more when thinking of those. That is, if he thinks that he is ill, he will feel his symptoms strongly. Otherwise, if he is unmindful, maybe that he will feel that he is okay. They feel time hangs heavily on them. That is, they feel that time is passing very slowly. This peculiar symptom is also noticed in Alumina argentum, Met, Cannabis indica. These are all homeopathic medicines, want to finish their jobs hurriedly. That is, whatever they do it hurriedly. General aggravation and amelioration. That is, the following situation aggravates the person as a whole. This is the sign of aggravation. General aggravation from sunrise to sunset, that is during daytime. Heat, covering when thinking of ailments. General amelioration, this is sign of amelioration at seashore, cold inwardly and outwardly. Inwardly means they take cold water, cold things. Outwardly means they also outward in the leg, hands, body. They want application of cold.